Hi there, this is Tammy Williams with Maple Valley Soap Company, and today I'm excited because we're kicking off our scrub week, and the first scrub here is called the honey scrub, which is pretty much a simple recipe. It's straightforward. Like right now, I'm just sifting the sugar, and I'm making sure all the lumps are out. And now I'm adding the honey, and then I'm going to mix the honey and the sugar together. And right now I'm adding brambleberry raw honey. Smells so delicious, but you do not have to add the fragrance oil. It's up to you. Okay, so now I'm adding the carrier oil and the preservative. The preservative is necessary because it's going into the shower and it will come in contact with water, so you may want to add your preservative here. See, I told you it was easy. Now I'm just scooping into a jar. And remember, the recipe is listed below. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me. So enjoy. Bye.